Hi everyone, so today I want to unbox another new style by René of Paris. This one is Luca in Champagne R. And if you're wondering, this one is also one of the new releases by René of Paris. This one is Mica in Creamy Toffee R, and I have a review and an unboxing on my YouTube channel and on my Instagram. So go and check it out if you're interested in this beautiful mid-length style. But today is about Luca, so let's unbox it. Same box as before, so no changes there. Securely packaged in the net. So this is like a pixie, shorter style. Let's look at the cap construction. It's a basic cap. You have a velvet extended nape with bra strap like adjusters. And then you have open wefts at the front as well, so that will be nice and airy. There is a bit of stretch in this cap, and I can feel permatease right at the top here. So let's see what this one looks like. So this is the color Champagne R. So you can see it has a medium brown root, I would say. See, these are not very straight layers, so they have a few like waves, curls in it. But these are heat-friendly fibers, so if you don't like that, you can change it. So, with short ones, you have to work with them. Because they've been in the box, they lie which way they like to lay. And sometimes just a bit of combing through with your fingers will make them look so much better. So you have no lace front, so the fringe is meant to be down or slightly to the side, but you can move that whichever way you like. So find what works for you best. So something like that might work on me. Let's just get it up to the point where I think this looks right on me. So this is what I would do with the short one. I want to just show you what it looks like from all sides without doing any more work on it. So you have kind of waves all over, especially at the back here, which just gives it a bit of a cool look, I think. Just a bit more of a modern touch. And yeah, there is permatease here, which is to be expected with a basic cap. With a piece like this, now I really like pixie cuts. I always like using a headband. I just think it's really cute. I think my favorite type of headbands are these ones with these kinds of pixies. It's just adorable. Absolutely adorable. I love wearing it like this because it's just so cute. And then you can play with that fringe, so you can have it down like this or to the side, whichever side you want it. Also like to have earrings with these short ones. It just gives it a bit of oomph. So this is probably how I would wear her. Just an adorable look. So tell me what you think of Luca. If you're interested in this piece, the link to this piece will be down in the description box, and I will pin it to the comments as well. And don't forget to use my code K20, which will give you 20% off this very affordable piece already. Have a lovely day, and I see you very soon. Bye.